Okay, I'm back with another video. That is how you can place your Samsung Galaxy A56 device. Before going or starting any steps, I would recommend some basics. You must understand that, and I hope that will be helpful for you. If you are really planning to flash your Samsung Galaxy A56 device, then you must understand some basics. That's first of all, take fully backup of your device before doing or running anything. That will be helpful for you and useful for you. So before anything else, your PC must be ready, and for that, okay, Samsung USB driver you need to download. But if we are going here, this is all our full guide. I don't want to waste your time here. Let's move to the AI to ask. I would like to place my young Galaxy A56 device. So, dear please guide me in software and which tools I required. What tools I required. So, it will guide well better than my current guides. So, it's a short and easy to understand properly. Because currently I have not that device, so that is why I can't connect it with my PC and make steps one by one. Tools you need to download. Samsung Galaxy A56 selection. Odin software, Odin software. Let's see. Oh, this software you need to download. Samsung Odin here. Okay, it is that it look like after installing ILAPCPCSC. You can do this also. Let's say Samsung USB drivers is a tool. Okay, you can download from here. It's 35 MB size, and then stock firmware model specific. Okay, same mobile. You can download any of them. Follow USB cable plus PC window preferred. So first of all, you need to install Samsung USB drivers and then open Odin software which already downloaded and installed. I also boot phone to download mode. Then load your firmware file BL, APCP and CSC. Okay, then click Start. And is there all files are all files required to download to load. Okay, let's see. Yes, for full stock flash, you normally use all of them. BL is equals to bootloader and AP main system, CP modern network, and CSC region plus export is a simple tool. Full clean install use all four. Keep data you home CSC instead of CSC. So that's it. And if you understand or if you already know some Python like programming language or something else like Python or other type of language, you know, then I recommend you search something new. Here, okay, is there a way to do with Python programming? Because I already created a scatter file to generator which I will launch soon. Here you can see with the help of the Python and custom ROMs. Okay, this is the way. Okay, let's see. Short answer, no, not directly. Samsung flashing uses download mode plus Odin protocol, which is not accessible via Python in any official or practical way. Okay, I hope that helps. And uh, what Python can do, automate downloading firmware, extract firmware file, launch Odin via script, subprocess subprocess this library. And for subprocess this library helps. Okay, okay, and other thing, check device connection. What Python cannot do, replace Odin flash the files BL, AP, CP, CSC directly to Samsung web. Reality flashing is equal to Odin tool only. Python helper automation only. If you want, that's all. For now, that's all. So this is a full guide I wrote, but I think it will be waste of the time for you. Okay, for you. So for now, here it's all done. Currently, I have not that device to do practically. That is why.